help our users understand a little bit more about how to properly use the unit, I'd like to take a moment to just walk through how to use the pneumatic settings for proper adjustment and usage. The first two items that you see on this screen here are for the pneumatic control. The first one is called powder delivery percentage. The second is called the total air. The two of these combine to be able to provide you accurate control for delivering powder to the gun. For proper performance, operators will select the appropriate total air, generally starting at somewhere between 3.0 and 4.0 as a starting point, and then deciding if that is the appropriate amount of powder. Once we have set the total air, that dictates the amount of compressed air that is being delivered to the pump. Then you can use the powder delivery percentage as more of a fine-tune adjustment to be able to raise or lower the amount of powder that is delivered from the gun. In most cases, total air will be set and left alone, only adjusted whenever there are extreme situations that would require an adjustment. Most of the time, operators will be adjusting the powder delivery percentage, increasing or decreasing to deliver more or less powder as needed.